Occupational health and safety, or OHS, is all about creating a safe and healthy environment for workers. It involves a set of policies, practices, and procedures designed to protect employees from hazards at work. OHS doesn't just focus on physical safety, it also considers mental and social well-being. Whether you're in an office, a factory, or out in the field, OHS aims to ensure that everyone goes home healthy at the end of the day. By understanding and implementing OHS, organizations can prevent accidents, reduce illnesses, and foster a positive workplace culture. Let's explore why OHS is so important and how it shapes our working lives. Main objectives of occupational health and safety are clear and impactful. First, OHS strives to prevent work-related accidents, injuries, and diseases. It also aims to promote both physical and mental well-being among employees. Compliance with labor and safety laws is another key goal, ensuring organizations meet legal standards. By reducing absenteeism and workplace risks, OHS helps boost productivity. Ultimately, fostering a culture of safety benefits everyone, from workers to management. These objectives lay the foundation for a safer, more efficient, and happier workplace. To achieve its goals, OHS relies on several key components. Hazard identification and risk assessment, or HIRA, is the first step, spotting and analyzing potential dangers in the workplace. Safety training and education ensure that employees know how to handle equipment and emergencies. Personal protective equipment, like helmets and gloves, offers a physical barrier against harm. Ergonomics focuses on designing tasks and equipment to fit human needs, reducing strain and injury. Emergency preparedness, such as fire drills and evacuation plans, prepares everyone for the unexpected. Finally, health surveillance involves regular checkups to monitor for occupational diseases. Together, these elements form the backbone of effective OHS. Workplace hazards come in many forms. Physical hazards include noise, radiation, heat, and dangerous machinery. Chemical hazards involve exposure to toxic fumes, solvents, and dust. Biological hazards are caused by viruses, bacteria, and fungi, which can lead to serious illnesses. Ergonomic hazards stem from poor posture or repetitive movements, often resulting in strain or injury. Finally, psychosocial hazards, such as stress, harassment, or excessive workload, can impact mental health. Recognizing these hazards is the first step toward creating a safer workplace for everyone. Implementing strong OHS measures brings significant benefits. First and foremost, it reduces workplace injuries and fatalities, making work safer for everyone. Employees feel more satisfied and motivated, leading to higher morale. With fewer accidents, productivity and efficiency naturally increase. Organizations also avoid legal penalties by complying with safety laws. Finally, a strong OHS program enhances the company's reputation, showing that it values its people. These benefits make OHS a smart investment for any business. OHS is guided by international standards and laws. The International Labor Organization, or ILO, sets global conventions for workplace safety. ISO 45001 is an international standard for OHS management systems, helping organizations create safer workplaces. In the United States, OSHA enforces safety regulations, while countries like Pakistan have their own laws, such as the Factories Act. These standards ensure that organizations worldwide follow best practices and protect their workers. Adhering to these laws is not just a legal requirement, it's a commitment to worker well-being. History has shown us the tragic consequences of poor OHS practices. The Bhopal gas tragedy in India led to thousands of deaths due to a toxic gas leak. The Chernobyl disaster in Ukraine caused widespread radiation exposure and long-term health issues. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many frontline workers faced infection risks due to inadequate protective equipment. In Pakistan, the Gadani shipbreaking yard and the Baldia factory fire highlighted the dangers of ignoring safety measures, resulting in numerous fatalities. The Rana Plaza collapse in Bangladesh and frequent coal mine accidents in Balochistan further underscore the importance of robust OHS systems. These cases remind us why safety must always come first. Effective OHS relies on strong policies and frameworks. In Pakistan, the Factories Act provides basic OHS provisions, though enforcement can be weak. The Pakistan Environmental Protection Act regulates industrial emissions, protecting both workers and the environment. Internationally, ILO Conventions C-155 and C-187 set standards for occupational safety and health. ISO 45001 offers a comprehensive management system for organizations to follow. These frameworks guide companies in building safer workplaces and ensuring long-term compliance. Sustainability is becoming a key part of OHS. Cleaner production methods and green chemistry help reduce workers' exposure to harmful substances. Providing personal protective equipment and regular training keeps everyone prepared. Health monitoring, like biomonitoring for toxins, ensures early detection of risks. Emergency preparedness, including fire exits and evacuation drills, saves lives during crises. Integrating environmental impact assessments with OHS risk assessments creates a holistic approach, protecting both people and the planet. These strategies pave the way for a safer, more sustainable future. Occupational health and safety is more than just a legal requirement. It's a core issue in environmental science and sustainable development. By strengthening OHS laws, enforcing environmental regulations, and promoting sustainable practices, we can protect workers and build a better future. Every organization has a responsibility to prioritize safety, not just for compliance, but for the well-being of its people. Let's work together to make every workplace safe, healthy, and sustainable for generations to come.